Casement windows. Clinton Township is a service that offers a wide range of options for homeowners looking to enhance their homes with energy-efficient casement windows. Our expert casement window contractors in Clinton Township, MI, provide top-notch casement window services, ensuring that every installation meets the highest standards of quality and durability. Energy-efficient casement windows Clinton Township are designed to reduce energy costs while providing excellent insulation. These insulated casement windows are perfect for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment, regardless of the season. With double-glazed casement windows, you can enjoy enhanced thermal performance and noise reduction. For those seeking custom casement windows Clinton Township, our casement window experts offer a variety of styles and designs to match any architectural preference. Whether you prefer modern casement windows or traditional wood casement windows, we have the perfect solution to meet your needs. Vinyl casement windows, Clinton Township, MI are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These affordable casement windows offer excellent value for money, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. Additionally, aluminum casement windows provide a sleek, contemporary look that complements any home design. Casement window replacement Clinton Township, MI, is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our casement window maintenance services ensure that your windows remain in top condition, preventing costly replacements. We also offer casement window hardware upgrades to enhance the performance and security of your windows. Casement window replacement in Clinton Township, MI, is a seamless process with our experienced team. We provide a wide range of casement window options, including insulated and double-glazed varieties, to suit your specific needs. Our casement window solutions are designed to improve the aesthetics and energy efficiency of your home. Affordable casement windows. Clinton Township are available in various materials, including vinyl, aluminum, and wood. Each material offers unique benefits, allowing you to choose the best option for your home. Our casement window suppliers in Clinton Township provide high-quality products that are built to last. Casement window styles in Clinton Township, MI, range from classic to contemporary, ensuring that there is a design to suit every taste. Our casement window designs are crafted with attention to detail, providing both functionality and visual appeal. With our casement window upgrades, you can enhance the look and performance of your windows. Casement windows. Clinton Township contractors are dedicated to providing exceptional service and quality products. Our team of casement window experts is committed to helping you find the perfect casement window solutions for your home. With our comprehensive casement window services, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your windows are in good hands.